Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out these drops I have. These are gonna help us have mind and focus. And that says take a short squeeze in any drink in the morning with caffeine. Smooth, focus, no jitters and stuff like that. So you can have that. So we have unflavored liquid, 200 milligrams or 30 servings. And these are what they look like here. So they are that. And it comes with a little pouch here so we can kind of take it with us if we want to. We can hold it like that and connect it up to our backpack or whatever. And then let's see if we open it up. How do we open it? Oh, we probably have to open it first. Let me get it out of here. Didn't think about it, didn't think it through here, but they are unflavored, so you really aren't gonna be able to have a big flavor for it. But what you'll do is you'll take it there and open it up. And if you have a water bottle like I do here, open it up. Gotta make some space in it. And then I'll go like that. Squirt a little bit in. There we go. And there's no smell or anything. And then, I mean, it doesn't taste like anything, but it should help me think better, work better, calm down, be better. So it looks like this is gonna be a winner for me. And I know my son wanted to try it too, so he'll be using this as well. Thumbs up.